The glorious moon, just hanging up there in the sky. But wait, how? Everything we see falls towards the earth. A ball, an apple, even you if you jumped off a building. Please don't do that. Everything comes down. So, doesn't the moon fall too? Now, some of you might think, well, gravity holds it up there, simple. But that's not how gravity works. Gravity is a center seeking force. It exists between any two bodies with mass, like Earth and the Moon. It pulls things towards each other, not fix them at a distance, not hold them up. It pulls down. So gravity can't be holding the moon up. Gravity is what should be pulling it in. So here's where it gets strange. The moon is falling right now. This very moment as you watch this, it has been falling for about 4.5 billion years. And in all that time, across 384,000 kilometers of free fall, it still hasn't hit us. So what's taking it so long? To understand this kind of falling, let's observe one. Say you have a ball. When you throw it horizontally, it takes a curved part back to the ground. Throw it harder, it travels further before coming down. Interesting. Let's try something. You're here on Earth somewhere. But let's build a really tall tower and place you at the top. Now you're equipped with a super powerful ball blaster. You fire it once, twice, each time increasing the strength. At a certain speed, something wild happens. The ball travels so far sideways that it goes all the way around the globe. And when it comes back, it's at the same point it started. So it just keeps going around, around, and around. It's falling the whole time, but as it falls, it keeps missing the surface because the ground curves away beneath it before it can even touch down. But what does curves below it actually mean? When you throw a ball horizontally, it has two things happening at once: a downward pull from gravity and a sideward push from the throw. Together, these make it follow that curved parabolic path. Now, in the full revolution case, the ball has a sideways velocity so high that by the time the gravity pulls it down even a little, the Earth's surface has already curved away in that direction. So it falls and falls and falls, but it never gets to touch the surface. That's an orbit. That's exactly what the moon is doing, just at a much, much larger scale. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember, it's not sitting still up there. It's falling every single instant of time. Hey, so how's the video? Let me know in the comments below. Drop a like if this was helpful. And to watch more such content, stay tuned. Bye bye and peace.